We're on a mission from God.
We're going to try to go in this church here. I'll take a picture later on. I'm going to go down this path here, see if I can find the entrance to it. A little bit warmer down here. That's the side door. See if this is the front here, I think. Let's see. Oh yeah. This is the front door of the church. Let's see if it's open. I doubt it. Oh, it is. Church is open. You want to come in here, have a look at this old church. I don't know what denomination it is. There's no real altar or anything here. It's just like you got the pulpit there, and they got this thing here. I guess this is the baptismal here. Yeah, that would be the baptismal here. I'm going to baptize. And you got these special seats for, I don't know, special people, I guess, that sit over here. And I don't know, kind of strange. And this one has like a little catch to it there. And these other ones are open. But this one, you're like caught in the center there. Kind of odd. Oh, big organ up there too. So yeah, I don't know. All kinds of names written on the balcony up there. And stairs that lead up to the balcony. We might take a walk up there maybe and see. Up in the balcony. Oh, the doors might be closed up there. That one's open, but that's okay. We'll skip that. Old paintings that they found here. St. Christopher.
That piece was covered, and the people from the village dedicated the church to St. Maurice.
Well, this is the view from the church where we had our picnic lunch, which was excellent. So, very nice here. All right, we're finishing up. We're pretty much all finished with the food here. Okay.